Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make the BMW M3 GTR in NFS Heat. First, you will need to purchase the BMW M3 E46 from the dealership. This is your starting point for building the legendary car. It is readily available early in the game, so you can get started quickly. Make sure you have enough in-game currency, approximately 34,000 credits, to secure this crucial base vehicle. This car forms the perfect foundation for your ultimate build. Next, let's focus on the visual transformation to achieve that unmistakable M3 GTR look. Head to the customization garage and apply the specific widebody kit designed for the M3 GTR. Choose the second front bumper option and the second hood, which features those iconic aggressive vents. Finally, search the community wraps for a high-quality blue and white M3 GTR livery to complete the legendary aesthetic. This will make your car instantly recognizable on the streets. Now, let's boost your M3 GTR's performance to legendary levels. The most crucial step is swapping the engine to the potent 4.4-liter V8 from the BMW M5 F90. This engine provides immense power. Complement this with ultimate dual turbochargers for incredible acceleration and top speed. Don't forget to install Ultimate 5 by 3-pound nitrous tanks to give you that extra kick during intense races and escapes. These upgrades are vital for dominating Palm City. Finally, let's fine-tune the handling to match your M3 GTR's raw power. Equip Super Track suspension, elite brakes, and elite race tires for superior grip and control. Upgrade to an Elite Plus clutch and a 7-speed gearbox to ensure smooth and rapid gear changes. For optimal balance, set your downforce to 4 and your steering sensitivity to 5. With these adjustments, your BMW M3 GTR will be ready to conquer any challenge and need for speed heat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.